We can generalize the result of photons and electromagnetic waves. That is to the case when the rest mass is 0 and omega 0 equals 0. Let us consider again the Lorentz transformation between two inertial frames S primed for the components of a four momentum and wave for vector, that is Eng over C equals gamma times primed over C plus beta p primed x, and omega over C equals gamma times omega primed over C plus beta k primed x, and px equals gamma times p primed x plus beta p primed over c, and kx equals gamma times k primed x plus beta omega primed over c. And if you put this condition into the invariance e squared over c squared minus p squared equals m0 squared c squared and omega squared over c squared minus k squared equals omega 0 squared over c squared, that is, this term is 0 and this term is 0, we get e squared over c squared minus p squared x equals 0, and also omega squared over c squared minus k squared x equals 0. And if we consider, in accordance with our initial assumption that px and kx must have the same sign, we have from these two equations that px equals e over c and kx equals omega over c, this S frame, and in the S primed, of course. And inserting this equation into the Lorentz transformations, this and this one here and here, we get E over C equals gamma times 1 plus beta E primed over C, and omega over C equals gamma times 1 plus beta times omega primed over C, and then px equals gamma times 1 plus beta times E primed over C, and kx equals gamma times 1 plus beta times omega primed over C. Dividing side by side these two equations, we get E over omega equals E primed over omega primed, and px over kx equals E primed over omega primed. But primed and non-primed are arbitrary inertial frames, so from the first of these relations we can see that the ratio E primed over omega primed has to be invariant. As a proof, we define the invariant E primed over omega primed equals C, and so we get from these equations and the definition invariant again the Planck and the Broglie relations, this time for photons. So we studied the cases particle with rest mass and omega 0 different from 0, and particle without rest mass like photons and omega 0 equals 0. And it is possible to show that the cases m0 different from 0 and omega 0 equals 0, or m0 equals 0, omega 0 different from 0, are not physically meaningful from Lorentz transformations. We get infinities, that is, these cases are not possible. Okay, so let me finish with a bit of bibliography. For more traditional introductory approaches to de Broglie's work, we can see, for instance, Wichmann book, a classic Broglie Physics course, volume 4, 1971, or French and Taylor book, an introduction to quantum mechanics. (1978). And for more introduction, for a more modern introduction, my paper on archive or in the journal Modern Physics. And thank you for your attention, and bye.